Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Smile Brilliant at-home whitening kits. Alright, so I did not purchase this product. It was sent to me and I am not getting paid to review this product. They sent it to me so I can try it out. Now, I never used a at-home whitening kit before. The only thing that I use to whiten my teeth is charcoal toothpaste because over time it whitens your teeth. But I was so excited to try this product to see how it works. Alright, so let me show you guys what comes in this box. Oops. So basically it comes with instructions and it comes with, I'll show you guys how it looks, and then I'm going to show you guys what's in here. So it comes with trays. So these trays are molding trays for your teeth. So you have one for the bottom and you have one for the top. You're going to mix these two bases together, and it has to be, you know, there's one white and there's one blue, but it's going to end up being the color blue. And you're going to apply it inside the tray. Then you're going to put in your mouth, mold your teeth, and leave it for about 3 minutes. It's going to dry quickly, you know, so you want to make sure you try to get it right. There are instructions on how to apply it the right way, because if you don't apply it the right way, then they can't make the mold of your teeth. All right, so I've done that process already. So you're gonna mold your teeth, you're gonna put it in a package, and you're gonna send it off to the company. It's gonna come back to you like this, and I have a mold of my teeth. All right, so I'm going to be using this for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to use it for like a month, but I'm going to say like the next 2 weeks we're going to see what difference we see, because I think they're claiming that it starts whitening your teeth in like 2 weeks. In 2 weeks you'll notice a difference. So it comes with these gels. All right, so you have the whitening gel. All right, and then you have I'm not sure how to say this, desensitizing. All right, so you have the desensitizing gel and the whitening gel. All right, so I am going to be using this for the next 2 weeks to see if I notice a difference in my teeth. All right, and I am going to be taking pictures and documenting it so you guys. So basically what you do with these is you apply it into the mold of your teeth, and then you're going to leave it on. All right, I have to, you know, figure out how long that I have to leave it on my teeth. And then the next part of this video I will explain to you how long you have to leave it on your teeth, and I will also see if we have results from using it for 2 weeks. All right, so this is all new to me. I never, you know, used any kind of whitening system before. This is a first for me. So I am going to, in part 2 of this video, I am going to explain to you exactly the proper way to use these and how my progress, you know, came out. All right, so if you just stay tuned, basically. So stay tuned for the next half of this video. Okay. Alright guys, so this is part 2 to my Smile Brilliant video, and now I want to tell you guys a little bit about the progress. I've been using it for about 2.5 weeks. So it comes with the sorry, the teeth whitening gel and the desensitizing gel. Alright, and again I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is what the package looks like, and then this is what the actual product looks like. It almost looks like a syringe, and it has the gel in it, and you're going to just pump as you need. So all you're going to do, these are the trays, all right? And it's basically a mold of your teeth. They're really comfortable to put on. So you're just going to take a little bit and you're going to pump it, and you're going to do a line straight across on the inside like that. And that is all you need. This is about 3 to 4 applications. All right. So after you apply that, you put it in your mouth. These are so comfortable and they're so easy to use. I'm going to show you how I use it right now. There you go. So I'll just apply it in my mouth like that. All right. It's a mold of my teeth, so it fits right in naturally. And with the whitening gel, and you pop it out like that, it's really easy. So with the whitening gel, you're gonna leave this on. You're gonna leave this on for 45 minutes to 3 hours. When you first start out, you want to leave it on for like 45 minutes. And the more you use it, you want to leave it on longer. So I usually do about 2 to 3 hours when I use this. After the third time that I use this, I started noticing the difference, that my teeth were getting whiter. So the stuff works pretty fast. All right. It's also 100% vegan. All right. Now, the desensitizing gel. Again, it comes in a package like this. It also comes with a syringe looking application. I think these are so cute. And the same way you're going to apply with the line going across. This is 2 to 3 applications. All right. And with this one, you're only going to leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. I go the whole 20 minutes, you know. This is my first time ever using any kind of whitening, teeth whitening kit. And I honestly feel like when people go to the dentist, they spend a lot of money. Like they spend like hundreds of thousands of dollars to whiten their teeth. A product like this is amazing. All right. It is amazing. It's easy to use. It's, it doesn't, you know, it's not one of those things where, you know, like you're like, oh, I'm so busy or whatever. You can use this while, you know, while you're doing stuff throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? So if you're home, you're relaxing, you're doing house stuff, whatever, just pop it in your mouth. Like it just has to stay in your mouth for like a couple hours, you know? So like I said, I do 2 to 3 hours with the whitening, and I just chill and just do whatever, you know, do errands, whatever. And next thing you know, it's time for me to take it out. So after you take out the whitening, you want to brush your teeth. So you brush your teeth, and then you're going to apply the second half, which is the desensitizing gel. You leave that on for 20 minutes, and then you don't rinse that out. You spit out like whatever is like in your mouth, and then you just leave it. The best time to you can use it anytime that you want to, but the best time to use this is at nighttime, like before you go to bed, you know. So like the whole process is going on like while you're sleeping and stuff like that, as far as the desensitizing goes. If you do it like during your day, after using the desensitizing gel, you want to wait about 30 minutes before you eat something or drink something, you know. That way you can give it time to work. But I think this is a great product. I will have the prices listed down below. But I feel like whitening your teeth at home is such an easy process. You know, you have the trays, and these are so, you know, they're amazing. They're amazing. They're really easy to put on. It only takes a couple seconds. See? I just wanted to show you guys like how easy it comes. It comes like it has like a little case that comes with it to protect them, and I just feel like you save so much money doing it this way, you know, because like, you know, if you're like someone, my teeth were never really like super yellow or anything, but you know, I do, you know, I eat turmeric, I drink coffee, you know, so my teeth weren't the whitest, you know. And I noticed like a really big difference in this. Like I'm going to continue to use it because I really, really like it a lot. And I really love the results that I've seen. Like I said, the third day that I use it, the third time that I use it, I started seeing results. I think actually the second time that I use it, but I started seeing results pretty fast. And the more that I see the results, the happier I get, and the whiter my teeth are. I don't know. I like white teeth. Like, you know, you smile all the time. You want people to see your smile, and it's just nice to have white teeth. You know what I'm saying? You don't want yellow nasty teeth. But I think this is a great product, and I'm most definitely, like, I'm going to continue to use this. And I just feel like you save so much money using a whitening system that you can use at home than going to the dentist and paying like thousands of dollars. So I just wanted to do a real review on this product. And like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. It's like one of those things where, you know, they wanted me to try it, and because like it's clean, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, I most definitely wanted to try it. And I'm like, you know, I want, you know, of course I want white teeth, you know, so let me give it a shot. But this is a product that actually works. It works, and I really like it a lot. I will say this, when I started using the desensitizing gel, the first couple times that I use it, it did like kind of irritate my gums a little bit, but it went away like after a while. Like it just like the first like 3 times that I used it, it irritated my gums a little bit. And I was fine after that. So there was like, now I use it and I don't have any problems or anything like that, you know. I just think that I have sensitive gums, you know. So if you do have sensitive gums, this is just like a little heads up. It might irritate just a little bit, but after a while, like it's like it doesn't do anything anymore. So yeah, I wanted to do a quick review on this product, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. I will have all the information about where to purchase this, and I also do a blog post on it that will have like pictures and more details for you guys. All right, so if you have any questions about this product, let me know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the bottom.